Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable Sprint Assist in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, enter settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the main menu or by pressing F3 button on your keyboard. Then go to keyboard and mouse settings, select movement tab at the top of your screen, and then you'll see the Sprint Assist as the first option on the menu. In order to enable it, you have to drop this list down and then select on or enable Tactical Sprint Assist, which will make moving forward activate tactical sprints after the sprint assist delay time, which you can set yourself, and moving in other directions will activate sprint after the same sprint assist delay. Now, you can also adjust the sprint assist mode by selecting show more below sprint assist option, and you can change the sprint assist delay by moving this bar to the right to increase it and to the left to decrease the delay. And you can also disable or enable sprint assist sideways and sprint assist backward by switching the according toggle or the toggle next to the according option. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.